Hi, this is Aaron for Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Going to be doing a walk around video here for our 2008 Toyota Tundra. It's the SR5 with the TRD package. I'm going to be just starting with the exterior of the vehicle here. I'm going to walk around and point out any blemishes or anything that I would want to know about before I came to take a look at this. So starting with the front driver's side on the exterior, good shape overall. It is an 08 model year, so there is a few little scratches and dings that I'll point out. First of which is this scratch here on the front driver's side wheel fender. Glass in this thing is all good. Mirrors, mirror caps, everything is all good. There is a scratch on the upright here in the rear driver's side door. And there is a few scratches on the door here. Here's the Tundra nameplate right above it. There is a few little scratches. And going down to the assist step, this is the driver's side door. Let me pull out so you can see that. Assist steps themselves are in good shape. Here's the driver's side passenger door. Again, just a few little scratches to point out. Just about what you'd expect on an 08 model year though. Overall, this thing's in good condition. Shoot the inside of the fender wells here. Again, 08 model year, been on the road for a while. So what you'd expect. Going back to the rear here, along there's some minor scuffing from when they put the gas pump in. There's a little bit of light scratches there. Rear fender. Wheels and tires in this thing are in great shape. Tires are almost like new, if not new. I think we put tires on that, or near new condition. Wheels are good. Another little blemish there in the rear. The rear bumper looks like they had bumped the trailer as it came in here. There is a dent in the rear bumper, dimpled, and a few little minor ones by the receiver here as well, done from trailering, guaranteed. On the tailgate, there is a ding here underneath the handle, and one here. The inside of the bed. And the glass again is all in good condition. Tail lights are in great condition, along with the rest of the lighting. Working around to the passenger side bed. Small scuff. And there's the passenger side wheel well, rear wheel well. Tires. Going down now, they did the biggest and most consequential piece. There's a scratch going down the side here. There's a little flare in the sheet metal here. They obviously hit something along there at some point. There is a dent there. And I'll zoom out here for you on that. All right, glass again, good. And front passenger side wheel well. Tires again, good condition. You can still see the markers on the tire showing the wear. Really good. Little blemish on the front bumper here. But the bumper itself, the chrome, the lights, the grille, everything in good shape. And the windshield, again, good condition. And here is the driver's passenger door, the door panel itself. Interior on this is in really great condition. Pull this out of there. Power seats. Seats in good condition. Steering wheel, gauge cluster, all that in good shape. Same with the entertainment center and climate controls, all that looking really good. Dash, everything in good shape. Center console. There we go. Good as well. And here's the rear passenger door. We'll start with the door panel. Tiny little blemish there, that's it. But the seat itself in great shape. Back of the seats, everything in good shape there as far as upholstery and things. Move around to the passenger side and show you that perspective. All right, rear passenger door. Tiny little scuff, you hit your toes going in and out. Looks like that's from, but very small, insignificant. Seating from this angle. And the front passenger door panel. Seats. Again, in really good condition. The glove box and the cup holders, everything from this perspective over on this side too, just really nice. All right, I'll pop the hood real quick and show you the engine bay. Real clean engine bay. All right, and there you have the inside of it. Well, there it is, our 2008 Toyota Tundra TRD SR5. I appreciate the interest. This is Aaron for Taylor & Sons, signing off.